Within 24 hours of discovering this AI tool, I made over $200. No, this is not one of those I made $1 million while sleeping story. This is real. Here is how it happened. I sent a quick sample video to my existing clients. They were shocked. One booked me for 20,000 naira. Then there's this my contract client that also booked me for $150 subscription per month so that I can get multiple clips every month. Now I know this might sound quite complicating. Let me break it down to you so you understand how you too can do it. You've probably seen all over TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, people are making short videos, reviewing products, unboxing packages, or showing how something works. But here's the plot twist. Many of them are not big influencers with ring lights the size of a Jupiter. They are UGC creators, user-generated content creators. That's what we call them. Brands pay them to make authentic, engaging videos that look like they came from a happy customer. And the wild part is that some of these creators are earning between $500 and $5,000 per month just from shooting videos in their living room. No celebrity status, no blue tick, no 1 million followers, just skills, consistency, and the right tools. Now, before we move forward, I want to ask you this question. You can answer me in the comment section below. If a brand offered you 50,000 naira to make one product video from home, will you do it? Just type yes in the comment section below. I want to see how many of you are really serious about learning this. Now, the demand for product videos right now is crazy. E-commerce stores, small business owners, even big brands, they all need fresh content every single day. But there's a small problem. Creating videos consistently is not beans. You have to plan the script, film the shots, edit the clips, add captions, pick music, and then make sure it fits the platform size and vibe. Doing that for one client is normal, but doing it for 10 or multiple clients, my friend, burnout will just send you a message on WhatsApp and it will be like, hi, I'm outside, my name is burnout. That's where top view AI enters like an unexpected cool breeze during NEPA light outage. This thing is basically your personal production studio in cloud. All you have to do is to give it product info, a link, some pictures, or even just a short description, and it handles the heavy lifting. We are talking about writing the script, choosing the visuals, adding subtitles, even creating a human-like avatar to present your video in any language you want. For UGC creators, this is not just nice, it's a full-blown cheat code. You can deliver more videos in less time, meaning more clients, more money. Offer multi-language versions without reshooting. Keep costs low but still look like you hired an entire production crew. Even make product promos for brands without touching the product yourself. And the features, they came ready to work. Number one, we have AI scripting, which creates compelling copy in seconds. Then number two, we have realistic AI avatar, which help you choose your own presenter. Number three, we have multilingual voiceovers, which gives you over 20 languages. Automatic caption is number four, synced, stylish, and stress-free. Number five, platform optimization. We are talking about TikTok Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, all covered. Number six, we have scene editing. Full control if you want to tweak the final cut. Now be honest with me, which of these features excite you the most? Drop the number in the comments. I'm really curious if you are all about the avatars or if captions are your love language. Now let me show you exactly how it works. I've created multiple videos with this within the past 24 hours of having access to it, and I'm super excited to show you exactly how I create one of them. Even this time around, my UGC avatar is not just a random Oyibo man. I'm talking about a local Nigerian man looking alive and realistic. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click the link right in the description below or the pinned comment below. Now, once you are on the platform, you sign up, and after signing up, which is something that doesn't take your time at all, you find yourself on the dashboard. Now, on this dashboard, you'll see that there are so many features there. We have the feature that help you create avatar marketing video. There's another one called video avatar. There's another one product avatar, and there's another one product reshoot. And what's the job of this avatar marketing video? Avatar marketing video is the one that helps you create marketing video with a human being and probably a product if you want to add a product. Now, the video avatar is the one that shows only the human, only the avatar, without the product. If you add product to this one, the product will not be in their hand. It will just be like a product that is appearing above their head in one way or the other. Then we have product avatar. This specific one is when they are holding the product to your face like that. See, this is the product that I use, and they will be holding it as if it's extremely real. Like, you can even prompt them, to unbox the product, and they'll be bringing it out and be putting it inside back. I already made video about it. Now there's product any shoot avatar. This specific one helps you to shoot a product, to wear a product if it's a wearable product. For instance, if it's a spec or a wristwatch or a footwear or a clothes, it helps you to put it on a model like the one you are seeing on the screen right now. Now let's start by clicking on product avatar, and as you can see, it gives us the option to import our materials, to create an AI avatar. So this time I would like to create a AI avatar so that you can see exactly how it is done. I'll click AI avatar, and right here you can import a picture that you want to clone into an avatar, or you can type in a prompt for it to come out. Now in the prompt, I'm going to tell this AI to generate an old black Nigerian man in his 70s sitting in his living room describing how he escaped stroke while making reference to a product in a pouch. So then you click generate. After creating our avatar, we want to add product to it, so click on product avatar, then it will bring you here. Then you can import a product and set it straight to the frame. Now once the product is visible, it will load and you can click on generate. Then it will give you options of different positioning, different posture that the man will be sitting down while explaining about the product. You can click on any of them, you can accept any of them, and as you can see, this man is looking very real. Then the next thing, now we want to make him into a video, and to do that you just need to click on use. Then it will bring you here where we are trying to make a video out of him. So right here you can type the product name, and after typing the product name you can also type the product description. Don't worry, they will help you repurpose it into a more catchy write-up. However, if you don't want it to be repurposed for you, you can click on use my script, so they will use only your script. Now after that, you can come down here and select your aspect ratio, select language, which is English. You can change the tone. Now this is another sweet part, you can actually clone a voice. I know they will be using an American or Igbo voice, so I want to clone a voice by putting in my own voice. The first thing I do is to click on clone voice, and right here you can upload an already made voice. So I have a voice I already made on my system, so I just upload it right here, and after uploading it I agree to their terms and conditions, and I can even test the voice as you can see here. Then after that I proceed to confirm. Just click on custom voice and select the voice. Now before you click on generate, as you can see, you can select more avatars. You can select more avatars, but since we already have an old man that we want to use, you can just easily click on generate, and it wouldn't take long for it to generate. And now you will be seeing the man live explaining how the product has helped his life and everything, and it's looking so real. Like you'll be like, no be person papa be this, but that's not person papa, that's actually AI. So it's easy to download. Just click on the download icon, and now you will find it in your download folder. With these, I've created so many videos for my clients and they are enjoying it. Now let's talk about the part everybody loves, the moolah. Business are paying for this kind of content everywhere on Fiverr and Upwork, through direct brand deals on TikTok creator marketplace, and also ad agencies that need multiple variations for A/B testing. With TopView AI, you are not just working faster, you are scaling your hustle. More videos, more clients, more income, less abeg let me rest small moment. Here's a serious question I want you to answer for me. If I drop a free list of 10 product niches that are hot right now for UGC creators, should I make it a PDF or a video? Which one will you like most? Tell me in the comment section below so I know how to package it for you. Now you might be like, these AI people don't come again. Oh, how person won't take be creative? The fact is that TopView AI won't replace your creativity, but it will multiply what you can do with it. It's like you are still the chef, but you've gotten 10 extra assistant chefs helping you to prepare food. Whether you are just starting your UGC journey or you've been at it for years, this tool is worth testing. And hey, if within 24 hours of using it, I can bag $200. Just imagine what consistent use can do for you. If this video has opened your eyes to a whole new money making lane, smash that like button, subscribe for more practical tips, and tell me in the comments, will you actually try TopView AI for your UGC videos? Don't just watch and disappear. This can be your next income stream.